Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Rosie Craft Tube. Click on the subscribe button to watch more such videos. It's free and would mean a lot to me. Also press on the bell icon to stay notified when I upload a new video. I upload new videos on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Here I'm showing you how to generate a QR code through a mobile phone. You may use a laptop or PC. Open Chrome or any browser in phone or PC. Type the QR code generator.com. This page will open. You can either type the message or paste it. Now see QR code generated and then save the code in PNG format. And check if it's working properly or not. Then get the printout of this and paste wherever you want. You can use any size of cardstock for making this cute card for Rakhi. This QR code card is most requested video. If you want me to make a tutorial about any other things, please let me know in the comment section below. It is highly recommended to write less than 1000 words. You can use other website also, but I prefer this one because it is very easy to use. And your card is ready. Now check if it's working properly or not. Thank you guys. Click on the like button if you really enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any suggestions or requests, please let me know on the comment section below. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can order our crafts, and for contact details, please do check the description box below. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.